Are you looking for the best Mac keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best Mac keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Logitech MX Mechanical Keyboard. Logitech finally serves up office workers a mechanical keyboard from its own stable. The wireless, low-profile MX Mechanical is a winner, offered in 2 sizes with 3 switch types. Full-size and tankeyless models available. Excellent, not too noisy typing feel. Attractive backlighting. Choice of 3 switch types. Handy setup software. Key backlighting, single color. Media controls, shared with other keys. Dedicated shortcut keys, yes. Onboard profile storage, no. MKey rollover support, yes. Pass-through ports, none. Palm rest, none. Number 2. Logitech MX Keys S Wireless Keyboard. The MX Keys S isn't new enough to justify an upgrade if you own any of Logitech's recent productivity keyboards, but it combines a fine wireless typing experience with truly helpful software. Elegant design and form factor. Smart actions are a useful addition to customization app. Responsive backlighting. Excellent battery life. Number of keys, 108. Interface USB-C, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless. Key switch type, scissor switch. Key backlighting, single color. Media controls, dedicated. Dedicated shortcut keys, yes. Onboard profile storage, no. MKey rollover support, yes. Pass-through ports, USB. Palm rest, none. Number 3. Corsair K70 Pro Mini Wireless RGB 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The feature-rich Corsair K70 RGB Pro Mini Wireless is a stunner and one of the finest 60% keyboards we've seen. Excellent RGB implementation. Hot swappable key switches. Included keycap and key switch puller. Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connection options. Compact and lightweight. Can create up to 50 user profiles via Corsair IQ app. Number of keys, 61. Interface, USB-C, Bluetooth, RF wireless. Key switch type, Cherry MX Speed Silver. Key backlighting, RGB per key. Media controls, shared with other keys. Dedicated shortcut keys, no. Onboard profile storage, yes. MKey rollover support, yes. Pass-through ports, none. Palm rest, none. Number 4. Cloud9 Ergot TK Ergonomic Tankeyless Mechanical Keyboard for PC. The Cloud9 Ergot TK is an excellent split keyboard that will appeal to anyone looking for a more ergonomic typing experience for both work and play. Comfortable. Bright, varied RGB lighting. Additional USB pass-through included. 3 mechanical key switches to choose from. Number of keys, 91. Interface, USB wired. Key switch type, Kale red box. Key backlighting, multicolor LED. Media controls, shared with other keys. Dedicated shortcut keys, yes. Onboard profile storage, yes. MKey rollover support, yes. Pass-through ports, USB. Palm rest, detachable, separate. Number 5. Montech MKey Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Montech MKey's beautiful keycaps, stunning RGB effects, hot swappable key switches, and reasonable price make this mechanical gaming keyboard a winner. Hot swappable key switches, Gateron Browns installed. Extra keycaps for customization. Striking color scheme. Per key RGB lighting. 3 typing angles. Number of keys, 105. Interface, USB wired. Key switch type, Gateron G Pro 2.0 Brown. Key backlighting, multicolor LED. Media controls, shared with other keys. Dedicated shortcut keys, no. Onboard profile storage, yes. MKey rollover support, yes. Pass-through ports, none. Palm rest, none. Number 6. DOS Keyboard MacTiger Wired Mechanical Keyboard for Mac. DOS Keyboard's MacTiger would be the aftermarket Mac mechanical keyboard to beat if it didn't cost so much. Extremely comfortable typing feel. Cherry MX switches deliver field-leading feedback. Soft touch volume roller. USB-C hub. Number of keys, 105. Interface, USB-C. Key switch type, Cherry MX linear low profile. Key backlighting, none. Media controls, dedicated. Dedicated shortcut keys, yes. Onboard profile storage, no. N-key rollover support, yes. Pass-through ports, USB. Palm rest, none.